Building an extension in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. The building and compilation of an extension for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central involve preparing your AL code into a deployable format. Building checks your code for errors, validates the structure, and ensures adherence to Business Central's development standards. Compilation takes this a step further by converting the validated code into an .app file, which is the deployable package format for Business Central. This file contains all the objects and metadata required for the extension to run. Together, building and compilation ensure your extension is error-free and ready for deployment. To build, or more accurately, compile an extension in Visual Studio Code, the simplest method is to use the shortcut Control Shift B. When you press this key combination, your project will be compiled. For example, in my case, the project named Hello World extension, which contains a single file, will be compiled. Once the compilation is successful, a package file will be created and displayed within your project directory. Now, you might wonder how the name of this newly created package file is determined. It's actually straightforward. If you look at the app.json file in your project, you will find three key properties: name, publisher, and version. These properties are combined to generate the name of your package file, which always has the .app extension, the standard format for AL extensions. Let's try modifying the publisher property in the app.json file and then build the extension again. After rebuilding, you will notice a new application package is generated with the updated publisher name reflected in the file. Before publishing or deploying the extension, let's explore the JSON files in the next video.